Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm very excited to show you an app that I've been working on. It's a food delivery application and it could be really helpful if you're in a food business, running a restaurant, or just looking to level up your food related project. It's clean, functional, and built entirely with React Native and Expo. So without wasting any more time, let me walk you through the demo. First, let's see the iOS app demo. So when you reload the application, you will see this very cool animation. Then we are in the onboarding page. Let's go to next page and hit get started. Okay, so this is the authentication flow. We have the forget password, the sign up page. So let's just log in. And first thing it will ask to give the location access. Let's just give it access. Then we are on the homepage. There you can see all the categories, the open restaurants. You can scroll through them. On the top, we have two icons, and one of them opens a custom draw navigation. It will push the content on the right side, just like this. We'll come to this later. Then we have the card icon. So if we click on the search input, it will open the search page. We can see the recent keywords, the suggested restaurants, and the fast food. Then we have the category slider. We can choose any category or we can see all the categories on this page. If we choose a category, it will open the category details page where we can see the related food items and the restaurants. Here we can toggle between all the categories. Then we have a filter model where we can filter using offers, delivery time, pricing, and the rating. It's not gonna work because it's just a UI. It's not functional. Okay, so after the categories, we have a list of the recent open restaurants. We can scroll through them or we can see the list of all the restaurants. If I click on any restaurant, it will open the restaurant details. And here we have a slider for all the food types. And if we click on any, it will show us all the food items. Now let's open this one and it's showing all the details about this food item. We have the size options and all the ingredients. We can increase the quantity. Now let's add this item to the cart. Here we have the cart page where we can see all the items added to the cart. We can edit these items and click done. Okay, now let's place this order. And here we have to use a payment method. We can even add a new payment method using this. Then let's pay and confirm. Okay, so the order is placed. Now we can track the order. So here we have a fully functional map that shows the location, and at the bottom we have the delivery guy information. So here we can chat with him or we can go back and call him. So this is how the tracking is working, and you can see the UI is looking pretty good. So let's just go back. Okay, so we're back to home screen. Now let me show you the draw navigation. Here we have my orders, which is going to show all the ongoing orders and the history of all the past orders. We can rate any order or track the progress using this UI. Let's go back. Then we have my address, which is going to show all the saved addresses. And we can add a new address using this UI. And the payment method, we have already seen this before. We can add the new payment method. So let's go back. Then finally, we have the profile where we see all the profile options. We can update the personal information. Let's go back. Then we have addresses, the card. We have already seen this, the payment methods. So then we have the settings and the logout button. So let's just go back and we can sign out from this button. And this will take us back to the login screen like this. And this is how the application is working on the iOS device. Now let me show you how it's working on Android. So if I just reload, you can see the animation. Then we have the search page, the categories. This is the category details page. You can see everything is working smoothly. Then we have the restaurant details, the food details. Let's place an order and let's confirm. So the order is placed. Let's track it. So here we can see the fully working map. We can call the delivery guy or even chat with him like this. Okay, so let's go back. Then we have the draw navigation. Let's go to profile. Here we have all the options. Let's go back and my orders. We have ongoing and the past orders. Let's go to my address. Here we can add a new address and see the previously saved addresses. So this was just a brief demo of how the application is working very smoothly on iOS and Android device as well. And if you like this project, then do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you want to get the source code for this project, go to my website codewithnomi.com and go to projects. Here you will find this application, food delivery app UI. It's just a UI, it's not functional, but UI can be used to build a functional app. So here you can get the source code for this app, and you can also find so many other professional apps built with React Native and Expo. Make sure to subscribe the channel for more cool projects. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.